welcome back to my channel. I know y'all have missed me, and I know y'all are asking where I have been. So don't worry
about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
We will get out into that. For those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Michaela. On this channel, we do a lot. We do everything. We do hair, we do makeup, we do whatever you wanna. So if you want to see something that I haven't done, please comment down below, and I will be sure to reply to your comment. And yeah, so let's talk. So today what I'm going to be doing for you guys is I'm actually going to be doing an unboxing video. I was told to go shop with ShopMissA, which is a makeup company that has like $1 makeup. They have foundation, y'all, for like $1.55, $1.80, no more than $2 for anything. So I was told to go online, get some foundation and stuff. So since I said that I was going to start taking clients and stuff, then I needed foundation for every shade color, right? So what better way to go get stuff or yeah, clients and stuff, you know, than to get something that's good quality and it ain't breaking my pockets. I'll wait. So that's what I did. So I'm gonna be unboxing it with y'all. This is the package. It's really pretty. It's pink and it says it's here. Feel good. On the bag it says they support education, it's cruelty-free makeup, $1 makeup and accessories, and feel-good ingredients, and they also support animals. Before I unbox, I just want y'all to know where I've been. I've been cooling, that's all. I've been chilling, cooling, chilling, whatever. I've been chilling, you know. I haven't been feeling creative, so I haven't been doing any makeup looks for real. I did my boyfriend's little sister's makeup. And that's been it, for real. Like, I really got discouraged just a little bit, y'all. Just a little bit. I did a look on myself and I was just like, I don't like that. Alright, so let's get to it. It does have a little, I don't know. It smells a little funny, like, you know, it don't stink. It ain't like horrible, but it don't smell the greatest, okay? Alright, and also I do want to let y'all know that this is my second time shopping with them. I got something maybe about a week or so ago. Right now during the COVID, their shipping is terrible, as every other company is. But I'm sure once COVID is gone, everything will be better. They are in Dallas, so I don't know where y'all at. I'm in North Carolina, so yeah. So yeah, the stuff I got before, it was all for me, you know. So yeah, because I wanted to try the products myself. All right, so everything comes in like the bubble, but you know, like the little bubble wrap or your packages be wrapped in. That ain't what that is. That ain't what that is. It comes very, very, very secure. That is one thing that I can definitely say that I do appreciate about this company, is that their products, they make sure everything is like wrapped securely. So this is a list of all the things that I got. So I got 22 items. I don't know how much I paid. I know I didn't spend more than $40. I can tell y'all that right now. Yeah, bro, I ordered this May 18th and today is June 9th. So that just lets y'all know the shipping. Okay, so like I was telling y'all how it is packed very well. So it's in this bubble, this, and it's got some pink tissue paper. So I'm just gonna dump everything out. So y'all saw how all of that was in there. Well, look, it's in another bag. Half of this order was foundation. Just wanna let y'all know this is how much foundation I got. So I got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 foundations. So I got 12 foundation colors. One thing I do want to tell y'all is that what made me feel 10 times better about ordering from this company, to the fact that I was going to do it again, is the fact that on this receipt, they literally circled the items to make sure that they were in the bag. Oh wait, I lied. I got 13 foundations. I got 2 of the concealers, which I don't know why I did that. I should have got more. I think they was out of stock. Yeah, they was out of stock. So I got Soft Tan and Honey. This is a precise concealer brush. I'm going to try to use this brush to cut creases with, see how it works for me. So this is how small the brush is, and it looks pretty precise. It's soft and fluffy. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I like this brush because it's like really firm. It's not like no soft bristles or nothing like that, so that it's actually gonna stay. Next we have our F15 brush, which is a flat foundation brush. What I like about their brushes, their bigger brushes, is that it also comes in this plastic, but it also comes in this as well to keep the brush together. So I've been wanting a foundation brush like this so that you can like apply the foundation, you know, and then blend it out. So like, for instance, these foundations, they are like the drops. So once you open it, you take the drops and you can like apply it to the brush, apply and blend. So next I have a F12, which is a large powder brush. Y'all, this brush is so soft. These brushes are soft. Oh my gosh. The E105 concealer brush. And then, yeah, I can't say this word. It's Kabuki, Kabuki, the Kabuki brush. Y'all know the ones, ooh, y'all know the flat ones that most people use to blend out their foundation. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's what this brush is, and this is the F4. And so what I'm gonna do is actually link the website in the description bar down below. Speaking of putting people on and stuff, y'all like my braids? Comment down below if you like my braids. Next, I got this Velour highlighter. I think that's how you say it, Velour Mousse highlighter. It's in the color Baby. And I'm gonna open this one for y'all because this is chaos. Ooh. Ooh. Y'all ready? Ooh, boy. That cute though. That concludes my haul. I'm going to be trying this stuff probably in the next couple of videos or whatever. So y'all be looking out for some videos for me to do my makeup and stuff. Once I start getting clients in, I'm probably gonna be uploading videos of me doing client makeup. So if y'all want to see me do anything else, you know, ain't my line. Call me, beat me if you want to reach me. Not for real though. Comment down below. Let me know what y'all want to see. If y'all want to see something particular, I'm down. Just let me know. But no, my boyfriend's not getting on my channel, so that's it. Alright, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And share this video, share it to your friends, show your friends that they can get dollar makeup. 22 items for less than $40. Let them know. And if you're wanting to shop with them, the link will be down below. And that's all I got today. Alright, well, I will see you guys in the next one.